ओपनिंग फंक्शन 1 घंटे का ही बोल रहा है। अगर आपने कोई एंकर में किया होगा तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हाँ तो ठीक है ना, मतलब अगर कोई परफेक्ट नहीं मिला होगा किया है तो कोई बात ही नहीं है। हाँ तो आप बोलोगे तो आ जाऊंगा ओपनिंग के लिए। ठीक है ठीक है। ये कितने बजे पहुँचूँ मैं? ठीक है चलो मैं आता हूँ 4 बजे, फिर मैं 5:15 को निकल जाऊँगा। ठीक है। The organizing committee has hit the jackpot with the format. It took a couple of years of trial and error to kind of lock on the format. Now they almost locked the format, and the crux of the rules and regulations will remain the same over the next few editions. Of course, every time we come out, there will be something innovative. But yes, the crux of the format has been locked, and this is quite an interesting format, especially the negative markings. Sometimes even to score 10-14 runs becomes difficult when you're chasing. Rahul Jadhav.
पे इतने पैसे, इतने बढ़िया नए नए कपड़े ले रहे हो, नई नई गाड़ी कैसे आ रही है ये है भाई? हम पैसे जीतते हैं जो
Rahul on strike. Arnav Singh straight away. Arnav has to fire. And nobody better than Rahul Jha to take guard. Lights, camera, action, showtime. It's time to rock and roll. Rahul and Ayush Saraf. They stick to the same opening combination. Vikas Gupta putting the man in the right areas. Starts with the white ball. Into the pads. He gets his man. The first wicket down. Arnav is definitely leaps and bounds ahead on the purple cap standings. Is way above the rest of the bowlers in this tournament. Is going for the kill. He has not played the match yesterday. Was looking just a little stiff, but with that wicket of Rahul Jha, he will be on a roll. In comes Mangesh. They have stuck to the same combination. They've opened with Rahul and Ayush, and Mangesh comes to bat at the number 3 position. Team superstars are very well placed. It's a new match. You got to make a fresh start. You got to forget what has happened in the past. You got to focus on what's going to be happening ahead. -4. Well played, nicely dug away. Very well bowled. He's gathered his rhythm. Very well played, very well played. Such a good looking shot. That was the short pitch delivery from Arnav, all the time in the world for Mangesh to punch it away on the back foot. The score at the end of the first over is -3 for 1. Now the rest of the bowlers have also got to bowl beautifully. They have to put the pressure on. They cannot afford to release the pressure from any end. Josh comes into bowl. Just to Mangesh. पहले ओवर के बाद -3. तीन रनों का इशारा. 3D. 0 for 1. काफी क्रिकेट खेलना अभी भी बाकी है. शुरुआत हुई है इस मैच की. आनंद एक अच्छे फील्डर है. आनंद हाफ चांस इसको कन्वर्ट करना होगा. The top 4 teams at the end of the round robin league format will be in battle in the semi-final scenario. So no qualifiers and playoffs. It's going to be the semi-finals, the knockout, the big matches. And that single takes the score to 4. A 5 for 1 after 2.2. You need the specialist fielders for the specialist positions in the underarm box cricket. The key mid-on and mid-off, you need your 2 best fielders there. The job for Saraf is to play the anchor role. Just hang on. Just look to play those 6-7 overs. Stay at the wicket is the Mool Mantra. On the other hand, Mangesh will be looking to do the bulk of the scoring. He's been more than decent in this tournament so far, Mangesh. More than decent. Everything depends on now which team is positioned where. The score is 9 for 1 after 3. Arnav back. This is a good move. This is a good move by Vikas to bring Arnav back early for the second over. Oh, that is well bowled, but it's been declared a no ball. Vikas is appealing for the stumping of the run out, and they have gone upstairs. The heart is indeed beating, huh? वाकई में literally. That is the nature of this match. So important. अर्नव टेंशन के मारे सोया ही नहीं है. कौन से प्लेयर को किस मैच में बिठाना चाहिए वो भी एक स्ट्रेटजी होनी चाहिए. When you're approaching the business end of the tournament, you need all your key players in the squad. Arnav had to sit out yesterday. Because Vikas Gupta has taken the review, there might be something interesting in it. The umpires have taken that referral just to confirm the no ball first. That's a no ball and a good aggressive shot. It's been referred. Mr. Umpire, is it into the declared 3? Declared 3 is the call. We just looking for the foot, no confirmation. Mr. Michael is back for the final stint. It's nice to have him here. They're on to 21 for 1. White ball. Box out. -10 because it's a super over. 13 for 1 after we are into the 4th over. One more ball to go. So in the 2 overs that Arnav has bowled, he's picked up 2 wickets so far. Both the openers are to the credit of Arnav, Rahul Jha and Ayush Saraf. Both the openers in the belly of Arnav Singh. In comes to bat the positivity vaccine, Modi. Dhaval Modi. End of one more successful over by Arnav. He was brought in to get those -10. He gets them. Wicket of Rahul Jha in the first over, -5. Then the wicket of Ayush Saraf in the second over. In the super over, he gets -10. Arnav will definitely be in contention for the best bowlers award. 4 के बाद 13 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर. (13 for 2 after 4). A bridge to Mangesh. 18 for 2. Mangesh making sure that his team goes to some respectability. He's playing the orthodox cricket at the moment. After 5, 19 for 2, in spite of those minus 15. बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, बहुत ही अच्छी फील्डिंग आनंद की. Covering those angles very well, Anand. 20 for 2, double on strike. The defending champions, they've got a reputation to look at. (21). Into the declared zone, 3 runs, 3D. We've got our chairman sir with us. Good morning and a warm welcome, Mr. Sunil Singhania ji. They're playing the last match, the Classy Riders and Team Chargers. It's literally the knockout match for them. It's the literal quarter-final. Well bowled. (28 for 2). Team Superstars had put on 68 runs in the first match that they played. 68. Oh, that should have been taken. That was straight into his lap. The tempers are flying. (30 for 2). The final ball in the 7th over. सात ओवर के बाद 30 रन. आखिरी 6 गेंदों की जिम्मेवारी विकास गुप्ता के कंधों पर. स्ट्राइक पर है मंगेश. फिर से एक बार डूइंग द जॉब फॉर द टीम. मंगेश इज होल्डिंग 4 to 1 end. अब तक जो 2 विकेट्स गिरे हैं, राहुल झा और आयुष सराफ. एक के लिए, राहुल के लिए -5 और -10 थे आयुष सराफ के लिए. दोनों ही विकेट्स अर्णव सिंह के नाम. See, they are looking to just put on 34, 35 runs on the board. They are not even looking at 40 at the moment. They will be more than happy with 32 plus. It's a very, very important strategy. Which player sits out to which match? They missed Arnav Singh terribly yesterday. Score at the end of 8 overs is a very, very respectable 36. 37 runs to win the match. Providing the steadying factor once against Mangesh. इस वक्त काफी टेढ़ी खीर है बाउंस के लिए. दूसरी तरफ सुपरस्टार्स के लिए स्थिति काफी मजबूत है, बहुत ही अनुकूल है, क्योंकि एक चैंपियन टीम है तो अब जीत के साथ बिजनेस एंड में प्रवेश करना चाहेगी टीम सुपरस्टार्स. एंड टीम बाउंस विल बी लुकिंग टू गेन देयर प्राइड बैक. देखना है कि कल कौन सी टीम के मध्य जीत का परचम लहराता है, कौन सी टीम जीत की फसल काटती है कल ठीक शाम 10:30 बजे. जीत का कारवा इस साल भी निकल चुका है टीम सुपरस्टार्स के लिए. शाम से सेमीफाइनल मैचेस का आगाज होगा. वो सेमीफाइनल मैचेस आपके मानसिक धैर्य की सीमितताओं को बड़ी चुनौती देगा. सेमीफाइनल मैचेस, इंपॉर्टेंट मैचेस, द प्रेशर गेम्स, नो रूम फॉर एरर देन. You got to play like a cohesive team, a well-oiled machinery. टीम के हर नुमाइंदे ने अपनी भूमिका अहम ढंग से निभानी है. हर प्लेयर को एक भूमिका दी गई है. When everybody plays the role to perfection, then it's a winning combo. It's a success story. To script a success story, everybody has got to chip in. Rahul Jha got out early, but he will be more than happy with the score on the board. They've got the ammunition in them to defend this score. Because they are the champion teams, and this year too they are looking good. The bowling has to be as good as the batting, and the batting has to be as good as the bowling. काफी अच्छे यंगस्टर्स है. आने वाले दिनों में उन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा का लोहा बनाना होगा सभी यंगस्टर्स ने. जीत का जयघोष किस टीम के लिए होगा कल शाम, वो देखना होगा. A selective 11 could be the dark horse of the team after winning 4 matches on the trot. All set for this second half to get underway. Mangesh to Kundan Sina. Welcome to Mr. Manoj Kesari. He's a managing committee member and also the organizing committee member. He's the honorary secretary. Mangesh is making his presence felt big time. The danger man gone. Anand. Vikas Gupta arriving a little early. -5 straight away. -4 at the moment. -4 for 1. EPL सीजन 5 का नशा बिल्कुल अपने सीमा चरण पर। इस परिसर की फिजाओं में धूम मची हुई है EPL 5 की। We are coming towards the finishing stages. We are approaching the semi-finals and the grand finale. Mangesh to Vikas. क्योंकि सिलेक्टिव 11 ने उस मैच को जीता है तो उधार के सिंदूर पर रहने की जरूरत नहीं है, वरना राउंड रॉबिन लीग मैच में उधार के सिंदूर पर जीना पड़ता है। टीम सुपरस्टार्स से शिकंजा कसती हुई। That's a wide. What a catch. Wickets are falling at regular intervals for Tim Bounce. One more -5 scenario. Arnav Singh. In the driver's seat, team superstars काफी अनुकूल स्थिति में है। -7 for 2 at the moment. The promising young gun Arnav comes to the wicket. EPL की भट्टी से ही पककर निकला है अर्णव सिंह। Arnav plays for the Payade team which is one of the esteemed clubs in Mumbai. Two good shots, no addition to the score. That's a no ball, so 2 runs added. -2. One for two. 2 ओवर के बाद 1 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर। जब सितारे गर्दिश में होते हैं, हर डाव उल्टा पड़ता है। उड़ान पंखों से नहीं हौसलों से होती है, और उसी वजह से वो बुलंद हौसले के साथ आगे बढ़ना होगा। -5. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग, जब सितारे गर्दिश में हो तब हर डाव उल्टा पड़ता है। नथिंग वर्किंग एट द मोमेंट फॉर टीम बाउंस। अर्नव इज बैक इन द हट, -5. You got to keep your professional hat on always. छत्तीस रनों का एक चुनौती भरा मलबा खड़ा किया है टीम सुपरस्टार्स ने, और इस लक्ष्य को तय करना एक बड़ी चुनौती है। नामुमकिन नहीं है, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल बिल्कुल है, नामुमकिन नहीं है। The umpires have been very consistent with their calling. It's been a good tournament for the officials, for all the 3 umpires. Sunil Yadav, Manoj, Sandeep, Sachin the scorer. And kudos to Mr. Vicky and Shaili Jha madam for the scoring, right from match number 1 till the final match of the EPL 5, they will be the 2 scorers. Every time Vikas Gupta steps on the cricket field, he wants to win the game. A very positive character, but his team is up for a big challenge. धवल मोदी का out of the box. -5. -5 for 4.
नायक तो बाहर हो गया ना, हम लोग दोनों में से जो जीतेगा वो उसके ऊपर हो जाएगा ना, बाहर हो गया, बाहर बाहर हो गया नायक, एडम एंटाइजन बाउंड यार आउट। बस टू का है ना वो।
Vikas Gupta back in the pavilion. -4 for 4. They have the match in a firm grip. बहुत ही अनुकूल स्थिति में, मजबूत स्थिति में टीम सुपरस्टार्स, एक अच्छे गेम प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट करती हुई टीम सुपरस्टार्स, डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस है, दे आर द टेबल टॉपर्स एंड दे आर प्लेइंग लाइक अ चैंपियन टीम. It's a game of cricket at the end of the day, and if you put your heart and mind to the job for 1 hour, anything can happen. विकेट्स आर फॉलोइंग रेगुलरली. अब बहुत ही मुश्किल होता हुआ, बिल्कुल नामुमकिन सा. द राइटिंग ऑन द वॉल. योर गेस इज एज गुड एज माइन. -13 for 5. 3.1 overs. आज के मॉर्निंग सेशन का ये आखिरी मैच होगा. इसके बाद और एक, वही बोला, इसके बाद और एक मैच है, चार्जर्स और क्लासी राइडर्स. शाम को टॉप 1, टॉप 2, टॉप 3 एंड टॉप 4. Jaishin into the attack. Oh, right, Rahul drops a sitter. I have seen Rahul Jha being the architect of so many famous wins at the Goregaon Sports Club. Is a part of Team Challengers, one of the best teams at the GSC. What a wonderful cricketer, Rahul Jha. Score after 4 overs, -9. Very tough times for Team Bounce.
सूर्य कुमार यादव बीएससी में इतनी बार आया
He's not the one to drop 2 out of 2. He's the one to take 2 out of 2, not drop 2 out of 2. -5. So yes, sir, they are enjoying. They are enjoying each other's company. That is the best part. They are supporting each other. They are playing like a team. They will not settle for anything less than the championship title. They are on a mission, and the mission is to defend the title. Whether they succeed is an altogether different story. I'm sure the rest of the teams will be looking to make life difficult for them. Team Bounce was off to such a good start, but in the middle stages of the tournament, they lost the plot. I've been mentioning that you need to peak at the right moment when you're playing such a big tournament, a longish format, 7 matches when one team is playing. It's very difficult to keep the momentum going for all the 7 matches. Dhaval is not even bowling. They are giving chances to other bowlers. After 5, -12. 5 ओवर के बाद -12. मॉर्निंग सेशन का आखिरी मैच, इस मैच के बाद क्लासी राइडर्स बनाम टीम चार्जर्स, लिटरली क्वार्टर फाइनल जैसी परिस्थिति है उस मैच में. Please confirm everything with the organizing committee. This is what I've been made to understand, but everything needs to be confirmed with the OC about the match standings, the match dynamics. We will go with our digital format. Jinesh to Bhavik. The backflip from Jaishil. No ball. Team Superstars owned by Rahul Jha and Saurabh Agarwal, the two co-owners. Dhaval Modi, the captain. टीम बाउंस के ओनर है केयू नागोरी. Thank you to all the owners for their wonderful patronage. I'm sure all the owners will be on board for the next edition, that is season 6 as well. And how can we not thank Dhanlaxmi Group, our sponsor? Big thank you the way of Mr. Dipesh Nigam from the Dhanlaxmi Group for the sponsorship. End of 6 overs, -1 for 7. In comes Dhaval Modi. We all love to see the lap of honor from Dhaval Modi after he picks up a wicket. But that all depends on the situation. At the moment, they are very well placed. It's going to be Jai to bowl. Looking at all the options, just in case if they need any one more option as they move ahead. -1 for 7 after 6. बिल्कुल जीत की कगार पर है. Almost at the victory post. Into the declared zone with 6 for 7. With those 3 runs, 6 रन बन चुके हैं 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर. कुल मिला के 7 गेंद आनी बाकी है इस इनिंग्स में. 7 गेंद कुल मिला के टीम बाउंस के पास है. ओवर की समाप्ति 7 ओवर के बाद रन संख्या है 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर केवल 6 रन. सुपर ओवर यानी जो भी रन्स बनेंगे वो डबल होंगे. अगर विकेट गिरती है तो भी -10 होगा. धवल comes into bowl. Requesting classy riders and chargers to be ready for the toss. The moment this match gets over, we step onto the center court. The officials will come for the toss. All the teams have been practicing hard. मेहनत मशक्कत सभी टीम्स ने की है. A few teams have executed their teams well, and that is why they are amongst the top 4 teams. Oh, super fielding. Such a good piece of fielding by Dhaval. Three dot balls, is it? -10 will take the score to 0 for. Oh, it's all over. What a massive victory. Team Superstars will surely be at the top of the table. A very big match coming up. Very, very big match. Do not go away. Team Classy Riders and Team Chargers. This is literally the quarter final. That is what I've been made to.
Yeah, this is it.